Okay, I think there's a lot of confusion in this. Here's what I found. In over 40 years of doing this, I spent the last 20 years doing nothing but repairs. And in that time, I probably have repaired over 10,000 torn brown paper spots. There's been jobs where I've repaired over 500 on one job. About every foot there was a torn brown paper spot. So I had them coat the whole ceiling with 2 coats of this product I've recommended called Pro 99, also RX35. So anyway, they put 2 coats on it, and out of 500 torn spots, not one of them bubbled that I can remember. I found that probably 20 to 30% of the spots is about all that will bubble. So why did we go to the trouble of treating it? So we found, most pros find that when you're doing very many of these, it's just better to treat it, and then you're going to have a much higher success rate.